What is up? D-Rock here from You First Outdoors. Got Jen with me.
Hey.
We're on Sand Hollow today. It is a hot June day, late June, and we haven't been out here in a while, so we actually caught a day where the wind wasn't howling, so we thought we'd come out and try for some bass and some bluegill. So we just launched and we're just kind of putting around, tossing here and there. Nothing's happened yet, but the day's still young. Water temp is reading right at 78.5. High today, outside temperature 98. It's cooking, man. It is summertime. So interesting to see what the bass are up to, what the bluegill are up to, if anything's up to anything. So let's quit wasting time and go find some fish. All right, so I'm starting out with the typical white grub, and over here, Jen, what do you got on that? Jen's got the Ned rig, and that's a mud minnow there, and we've just devastated the fish on Lake Powell with this particular lure. So we're trying it here in Sand Hollow, see if anything happens. I guess the spawn's over, almost July now. Are the fish deep? Are the fish shallow? I don't know. Haven't been out here in a while, so we're gonna see what we dig up. Oh, that fish on. Whoa. Oh, man, he hit that. Waste no time snagging that. Look at that puppy. Yes, indeed. All right. All right. Got a hit right off the bat with that right there. So that's encouraging. And we were about, was that 25 feet of water? So they're not too shallow. Well, we've only got one so far, so who knows, right? Oh, fish on. Oh. Oh. That is a nice size fish. He's coming to the top. Oh yeah. All right. That is a nice bass there, eh? Yes, indeed. I think maybe you want to switch to the white grub. That's two now. Nice. All right. Let this big boy go. Awesome. Jen, you gonna switch to the white grub now? All right. And I'm casting away from shore, so they seem to be in a little deeper water, probably 30 feet or so. Well, that's two, so it's a reasonable presumption, wouldn't you say?
I would say.
Okay. What's pretty cool is that bass left, I don't know if the camera, here we go. That's a little leech that was stuck in the side of its mouth, and I hooked right through it when I snagged him. So left that little gift for me on the grub there. I'm pretty sure that's a leech. It's pretty small, as you can see. Nasty. Moving. Drop the hammer. Oh. I think I lost. Yep. Oh man.
Oh man.
God dang it. You got a fish on?
Got it.
All right. Oh yeah, wait. I'm gonna bring it down here. Yeah.
Hey.
Nice catch,
Super
Jen.
big, but I'll take it.
Let's have a look. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, that's what does he got in his mouth? That white grub. Man, I swear ya, they just love the white grub here at Sand Hollow. So we come over to the dam and we're fishing along these shallows. You can see the beach there and just on the edge there. So nice. Am I gonna drop the hammer on something here? I swear this thing's. Nope, nothing. Oh.
Did you have it?
I don't think I had anything. Overactive imagination. I think that's what I had. Yeah, so much for light winds today, huh? Jeez. We're gonna make another pass at the dam, go back up and let the wind push us back down. And we're fishing in about between 20 and 30 feet of water right on this ledge here, so a lot of times the bass just hang alongside that. Jen just pulled it in a nice little one, so let's see if we can get another one that way. So the wind's picked up a little bit and it's pushing us right along. Jen's going to continue to fish with the white grub. I'm going to switch over to Senko style, do Texas rig, and see if I can get down low. And I'll let the wind basically troll that, so we'll give that a shot. See if we can pick up something that way. Okay, so I'm gonna try this. This is a 5-inch Yum Dinger. It is watermelon gold flake. Fourth shot. Oh, fish on. Fish on. Yeah, fish on. It's swimming towards me. Oh. Oh. What? Oh, that pig. Oh no. So look at that. What heart. It hit on that watermelon gold flake. Got a little bass. What? Oh man. I think we found some bluegill, so I'm gonna drop down and see if I can pull one of those rascals out of there. It's on. Is that bluegill? Wow. Something hit that. Couldn't take that fresh worm. Oh no! It's a bass!
Really?
Oh, no way! How about that? Wow.
That's interesting.
Yeah. That little hook. That little guy couldn't take it. He had to have it. Right on. Alright, let's try some live worm again. That was going for the bluegill, but pulled up a little bass, so I'll take it. I mean, honestly, how could you resist that? That just looks so delicious. I mean, wow. Yeah, I couldn't take it. I'd hit it. Fish on. Fish on. That's a bluegill. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Woo. Sweet. Look at this nice sized bluegill, though. Man. Whoa. Can I lip him? Nope, not gonna work. nice sized bluegill in here. All right, getting this nice sized bluegill in about 30 feet of water. So I was using some live worm. I'm not keeping them today, but I was just curious where they were. So definitely found the bluegill. He got me. What am I using? I'm using like a little number 12 hook there. I guess I could switch to a treble hook and I'd really sting them, but then it's a pain getting it out of their mouth. Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Oh, man. Oh, look at that one. Wow. Oh, he's a fatty. Yeah, that nice yellow right there. It's a nice little bluegill. You get about 10, 12 of those, you got yourself a good old meal, huh? Sweet. Oh. This one's got some shoulders on him. Nice. Nice. Oh no. Just plucking them out of here. Woo! There we go. I got you on that one. Oh. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at that one. Oh, look at that. The size of my hand. Yeah. Of course that's that. Well, bluegill fishing is definitely wide open. Got a good fish on there, Jen? Nice. And that he hit that that Senko, huh? Excellent. Right on the edge of that. Oh, there he is. Wow, that's a nice bass. Oh, let me get the net out for that one. Oh, wow. Keep that rod tip up. Keep that rod tip up. Wow, he's just bulldogging down. Nice. Oh, wow, Jen. Bring him over here. All right, I got him. Nice. Excellent. All right. Jen in there. Pull him out. Let's have a look. Oh, wow.
Look at him.
That is. Put that down a little bit. Yeah. What's in its mouth? Oh, yeah. Look at that. Nice fish, Jen. Well done. Jen, reach in there with those pliers and pull that out. What is it? Oh no, it's a giant dinger. Look at that thing. And that was in this fish's mouth. He was trying to swallow it.
Oh man.
Wow. Wow. That was an awesome catch, Jen. Well done. So, look at that. It had swallowed that big, that's a 7-inch thick dinger there. Man, look at that thing. Well, it wasn't eating that. We got it out of them. And let me see this one. And it went for, this is the 5-inch dinger with the watermelon and gold flake.
He was right on the bottom.
Yeah, nice catch, Jen. Right, fish on, Jen, nice. Work 'em. came up. Nice. Oh, that's a nice bass. Bring him up to the camera here to have a look. Oh yeah. Nice fish. Good catch,
I
Jen.
like that watermelon.
Good catch. Another good catch, Jen. And that was once again on that dinger, the watermelon with the gold flake there. That's making it happen today, huh?
Yeah, it is.
All right, we're in kind of some shallows. I'm gonna go weedless and fish with this thing here, and it's a baby Christie critter and watermelon green pumpkin, and get that on the bottom, see if that can't entice a hit, because it sure looks like it would. I've actually caught bass on this before, so I'll give that a whack. Hammer. Oh God! Hit it. I think it was probably bluegill snapping at it. No, look at that. I lost it.
Nope, it wasn't bluegill.
Whoa. Oh man. Busted my line. Are you kidding me?
It's the third time today we've got
This
that.
is 10-pound fluorocarbon. Alright, Jen's got a fish on. So it didn't even hit hard, huh?
No,
Thought you had a piece of grass or something on there.
I did.
Weird. Oh yeah, that's definitely a fish. Oh yeah, that's a nice bass. Bring her up to the camera to see. Man. Nice. Down. Yeah. What's in this mouth? Yeah, that dinger, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. Right on. Good catch. Very nice. So Sand Hollow's not a very large reservoir, and I'm just doing a kind of a quick 360 here. So the bass here obviously have seen every lure that you could possibly get at Sportsman's Warehouse or elsewhere. So our general approach to fishing this reservoir is just try everything. If something works, we'll stick with that for a while. For instance, for example, the white grubs that we used this morning, they worked well, and then it kind of slacked off, so we moved on to different lures. But we had a good day. We had lots of action, largemouth and bluegill. As always, we appreciate you watching. Tight line, stay safe out there. We'll see you next time. D-Rock out.